So now that we have all these designs done and analysis, I would like to have a better understanding about the position of the teeth. So we will use now our automated 3D design with the 3D smile simulation, which is the ideal design, and we will analyze and correct patients' teeth position to get a better understanding about the ortho treatment linked to the design. So we start the automated 3D smile design based on our ideal smile design, which we have created before. And in the AI section, we do have the ortho simulation option, which I will by default actually set it on green. We go to 3D layers. Now I'm gonna hide the design and a little bit the intraoral scan, increase the zoom on my model, and here we go. We do have the segmented teeth automatically done in the cloud. So now we have access to position rotation of every single tooth, and we can correct. I select rotation, and here we go. This premolar was for us a big problem, right, in the design. Even in the position, we can move a little bit like this. This one also, not too much, but nevertheless, space is good. Canine was not bad. The lateral eventually corrected like this. This central way too frontal, a little bit rotated distally. That's also a big concern about this central, which we will also correct here better, and this lateral bringing to the space, correct rotation, and canine premolar, and position. Rotation. The segmentation is done automatically in the cloud. Now you have the corrected position of the teeth, our big concern regarding the lateral. Let's see here of the central if we can do something more like this. Good. If you have the CBCT file, then it's even better, because then we have the real roots of the patient's teeth. Right now they are just generated, but if you have the CBCT file, you can bring the CBCT file into the project. We have the roots of the teeth, and then you can move the teeth and decide where they should be, so you can do intrusion, extrusion, rotation, and changing position mesially, distally, realign the teeth in the way you want. And here is the ideal design on top, and now you have a very, very good analysis and view about every single step, important step for the treatment plan to achieve the best smile design, which is not limited by the initial situation of the patient.